up, Aqua Gang? We're about to hit up this. If I get a dub, I have to rap to y'all basically. So I'm gonna try to, get this first dub, solo dub. Hopefully we could try hit this first try. This is my first game of the day. I literally woke up a few hours ago. But yeah, man, we're gonna try hit this up. Probably Cargos is probably a smart place to go for this. I'm not going for kills. I'm just going straight for the dub. So I can get this rap on. You know what I'm saying? I can make this jump. God! Bro, I swear, bro. I'm done. How do you lose fall damage from that? I'm an actual crackhead, man. Like, honestly. Hold up. I really almost pressed on. Oh, like. Thank God. Where they at? Where? Please, yes. Yes, you. My first victim. Thank you. Give me your head. I'm tired of this crap, bro. This is all my loot I've been waiting for this whole game. Oh, this is the crackhead you're fighting. Oh, like something that's going on or something? Feel y'all have that heat. Someone's oh, okay. You new? You no skin? Let's snipe this kid, bro. Crap is you? Oh, what the heck? It's a 3-man build fight. I'm asleep. Actually, let me go. Oh my God, bro! Manacle me? What the crap is you? That's what you get. Get straight. What the crap, bro? Oh my gosh, bro! Get the crap out of here with 6 kills, bro. You a sweat. Got my face. Got one down. 11 more to go. I'm just gonna bet there's 11 more people here. What the f? Oh, he's right there. No! I'm so dead. No, you black jackal. You black jackal. Oh, God. He just sprayed my head off. Ain't no chest in there, so y'all actually sad. What are you doing at my house, woman? Do you really want to pick? bet you got like 10 HP. I just broke my TV. Whoa! Freaking no skins! Ah! Freaking sleep with this no skin. I'm about to rap about the freaking no skins. It's exactly what I'm about to freaking roast right now, bro. Oh my god, dog. I can swear, bro. All these no skins killing me. Fake skeletons too. Got this no skin shooting me. I don't know what to do. I'm looking around looking for my shoot. I'm trying to get my shot and then I have to go and shoot. And the no skin over here spraying me in the foot. Nah, it sprayed me in the foot, sprayed me in the head. One shot, one kill, one kill, I'm dead. I don't even understand. Get me in the leg. Get me so freaking mad. Give me a headache. Nah, I know all these no skins, they is tryhards. I be wanna kill them and they a retard. I know I gotta beat it up and I'ma go hard. I'ma go try hard. I kill him like a retard. Nah, I got the no skin with the cake. Think he is the best, but he smelling like some booty cake. Hated how these no skins trying to spray me down. Old man over here, happy face to frown. Get me on my nerves, gonna make me mad. Every time I get happy, I'ma get sad. You know I be getting mad over no skins. I'ma kill them one time, do it like I owe 10. No skins on my freaking nerves. Shooting me and spraying me and I'm hurt. My whole lean bang to the poppy. Guess why I got sprayed by no skin? I'm in the lobby. I'm so mad. Get me out Piranha. I'ma spray him down, cook him up like salami. If you trying to get me, you ain't even my homie. I'ma get in and you chopping, I beat it up like you buy me. If the drum gun was back, I would shoot you with my Tommy and I run all up back. I'ma do it up a hit it all again. I freaking hate every freaking skin, especially no skins. Freaking done, dog.